This video introduces work order, management and installation and repair reporting. The purpose of a work order is to track work tasks. Reporting for installation and repair is a quick entry point for creating work orders. Work order management is the creation, processing and management of work orders. This video creates a work order for reporting installation and repair. Work order process refers to the flowchart. The normal work order direction is the creator of the work order creates the work order. The work order has selected an area, and there are maintenance users. In this area, the work order will be automatically assigned to maintenance users. If no maintenance user is found, the order will be sent to the manufacturer. The manufacturer dispatches orders to the corresponding maintenance users. After receiving the order, the maintenance user will handle it. After processing, the creator of the work order will evaluate it. If the evaluation is completed, the manufacturer will review and close the work order. The following is a normal work order process. The creator of the work order clicks on the report for installation and repair in the post-work management. Add or complete work order information conveniently. Click Submit. To complete the creation of the work order, in work order management, you can view the status of work orders. Since the maintenance user cannot be found, the manufacturer needs to dispatch an order. Dispatching can be done in the work order management of the manufacturer's account. At the same time, reminders can also be made. Processing after receiving orders from maintenance users. The creator of the work order evaluates after completion. The manufacturer conducts final audit and closure. That's all for the introduction of work order management and installation and repair reporting. I hope it can be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.